is banned as per the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act. That is a central legislation. State government cannot change a central legislation. State government is perhaps trying to raise some kind of fever in favor of bullfights. But law, which is a central law, can only be changed by the central government. Because of the recent re-emergence which People for Animals has seen of bullfights in different parts of the state, some in South Goa, some in North Goa, and more particularly, we have noticed number of fights in Arambol and in Perne constituency, which is the Chief Minister's constituency. People for Animals filed a contempt petition in August or September this year against the Inspector General of Police, the PI of Perne Police Station and the Chief Minister and several other officials, saying that since there are statements made that bullfights is something which Goa wants to encourage for tourism, bullfights are something which is tradition, bullfights is something what people want. These statements are being made, therefore it's a form of encouragement to the people in the state that bullfights is looked upon with not looked at by the government. But unnecessary cruelty should not be perpetrated, which means inflicting cruelty on animals for the sake of entertainment, for the sake of game, for the sake of gambling, for the sake of betting, for the sake of simply local fun. That is not something that people should do. In fact, the Supreme Court has said that it is necessary for society to care for the animals which they are holding charge of.